Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying a few essentials. Confirm your phone has an active data plan that allows tethering and charge it or plug it in. Once done, open Settings and navigate to the Hotspot or Tethering menu. Enable the Wi-Fi Hotspot toggle. Make sure to name the network SSID and choose WPA2/WPA3 security with a strong password so other devices can't join. This gets your hotspot broadcasting and ready for the next steps. Now you'll connect your laptop or tablet. On the client device, open Wi-Fi, find the hotspot SSID you set, and enter the password. Once connected, prioritize 5 GHz when available for faster speeds and lower interference. On your phone, open hotspot settings to set a connection timeout, enable data limit warnings, and review or block devices by MAC address if needed. Make sure to monitor ongoing data use, since tethering consumes cellular data. Adjust power and performance settings to balance speed with battery life. To finish, lock down the hotspot. Verify WPA2 or WPA3 is active and use a complex password. You can hide the SSID if you need extra privacy. Monitor connected devices and data consumption in settings and make power adjustments to avoid overheating. If a client won't connect, restart the hotspot on the phone and try toggling airplane mode. Forget and rejoin the network on the client. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone or contact your carrier to confirm tethering is allowed and working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.